Hi everyone, in this updates video, the feature we'll be covering is finding and replacing data when you're importing data into HubSpot. For instance, you're trying to import a contact list, and usually what you do is import and you let HubSpot map the properties, and then if there's any error, there's any gaps, you would have to stop that process right over there. You'll have to go offline, make the changes in the sheet, and then start the process all over again. This update helps streamline that. Now you can find and replace column values in bulk right within the import flow. Let's jump to HubSpot to see how you can do that. We'll go to settings, and then I'm looking for import here. There you go. Let's try importing a file. Bear with me for a second while I look for a file to upload. Now we'll let HubSpot map properties, and there are some errors here. Let's take company, for example. A standard error that we usually see is the name in our company itself. So for example, I uploaded a list and it says 6 and flow rather than and percent. I can replace it in bulk by just adding the replacement value here and done. Also, different use cases could involve maybe changing the format of dates. For example, if I see over here, we can see the format of dates is different. So to ensure data validation, to ensure the quality of data remains consistent, first of all, let's assign a value, a property to this. I'll just say create date. There you go. We can see errors here. Let's edit column values. So basically what I'm trying to do here is standardize the way we're mentioning dates throughout in our CRM. And again, there's multiple use cases where you can use this. Maybe there's problems in email addresses, maybe there's problems in the names, and all this comes down to the data quality in your CRM. It all comes down to when you're actually going to be segmenting your lists, when you're going to be reaching out, the personalization token to use. So all in all, a pretty good update to use. Thank you for watching.